After being beaten by a street dog, Brijesh Solanki, 22-year-old, a kabaddi champion, heartbreaking into an act of kindness where his family had to see him suffering to death because of lack of awareness and delayed treatment of rabies. Preeti, let's play today. Come on, let's play stone, paper, scissors. Whoever will lose will run. Okay? Okay, let's play. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Preeti, I won. Now you run. Okay. Preeti, what happened? A dog beat me. What, Preeti? Show me what happened. Apply some mud. Your leg will feel better. Auntie.
Yes, Ashwini beta, what happened?
A dog bit her.
What? A dog bit her? I told you not to go out to play, but you still went.
Auntie, she stepped on the dog's tail.
Come here, sit down. I told you not to go out to play, didn't I?
Preeti's mom, please give me some sugar. Oh, sister, what's happened to Preeti?
I told her not to go out to play, but she still went. A dog has bitten her.
Children will go outside to play, but don't have any home remedies. Take her to hospital immediately. You know how dangerous this can be.
Oh, can it really be that serious?
Yes, take her to hospital immediately.
Okay, beta, let's go. Doctor,
What happened?
a dog has bitten her.
When did it happen?
Just now while playing.
Alright, don't worry. She will be fine. Don't cry, beta.
Doctor, will she be okay?
Yes, she will be fine. I will give now one injection and some medicines.
No, I don't want injection. No, mommy, no.
Wait. Place a bitten area under the running water for at least 15 minutes. Wash the area properly with soap and water. Apply antiseptic like iodine, Dettol, etc. And finally, you must consult a doctor immediately within 24 hours for a anti-rabies vaccine. Don't rub the wound. Don't touch it like that.
So we shouldn't rub that.
Yes.
How many times will we need to come?
I will write it down. One injection is given today, the next will be on the third day, and then on a seventh day, and after that on a 14th day. I will write everything for you.
Okay, doctor.
Yes. If there any other problem, bring her back to hospital.
Alright, doctor. Come on, better, let's go.
Now, rabies is 100% preventable with timely vaccination, but also 100% fatal with delayed treatment of rabies. Rabies virus is also known as rabies lyssavirus, usually transmitted via saliva from infected animals. There is no known cure once clinically rabies symptoms happen. It is almost 100% fatal. It means it can also lead to death. Once the virus enters into our central nervous system, it's like a death sentence with the symptoms like anxiety. Anxiety means feeling uneasiness and nervousness. Hallucination. Hallucination means seeing and hearing something that is not really there. Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means the fear of water and paralysis and even eventual death also. It's not just through dog bite but also through the bite of monkeys, rats, rabbits, cats, etc. Not just through their bite but also through their